This video is going to go into a few more features associated with coding. First of all, I want to look at how to organise codes. Here you can see these researchers have a whole hierarchy of how they have organised their codes. To do this is actually really simple. All you need to do is drag and drop. For example, if I want to move balance into community change, all I need to do is click on it, let go, then click and drag. You will now see this particular node sits inside of community change. This example doesn't really make sense, so I'm going to put it back where it belongs. While I could undo, I'm going to show you how to do this manually. If I ever want to move something back up to the main level, all I need to do is click on it, let go, then click and drag. But this time I just need to drag it into the nodes folder on the left hand side, and we can see it has returned to the top again. Coding is a very fluid process, and you will continually reevaluate and change your mind. In this case I can see there are a couple of themes that I want to merge together. We have local connection and local identity. If I want to bring those two together, all I need to do is choose the one that I want to merge in. I'm going to right click and choose cut. I then select where I want to merge it into. This is local identity, and right click again. This time I choose merge into selected node. I'm going to click OK to bring in all of the see also links and relationships as well, and you'll now see that both of those themes have been merged together. This is a one-way process, so if you do this and it's been some time, you won't be able to undo. So always make sure that you're really careful about doing this. In this case I've just gone to undo because I've changed my mind on this already. You also may find that you want to rename any of your nodes as you go through. To do this, all you need to do is right click on it and choose Node Properties. Here you can choose to rename it and also add a description. I'm just going to type the new name now and then click OK. In the same way that you can merge, you can also split. For example, if I wanted to change this node into two separate ones, one for policy and one for management, what I would have to do is double click to open the node. Once that's open, I would then need to go through and highlight which passages I wanted in management and which in policy, and then essentially recode them into those new themes. This is a process that can take some time, and when you're happy, you could simply go in and choose to delete the redundant node. In a previous video we looked at how you can uncode using coding stripes, but there are actually further ways in which you can do this. For example, if I open up community change as though I'm reviewing it, and I come across a piece of text that I don't actually think belongs there, I could highlight it, right click and choose to uncode. You'll see there's also an option for uncode from this node. If I select this, that piece of text will immediately disappear from that node. I get these exact same options when I'm in a data file. If I open up Dorothy's interview and select a piece of text, I can right click and choose uncode. Here it will give me a list of different nodes that I could tick, and when I click OK, it will uncode it from that particular option.